Welcome to Auto Big 6. Today, we have something truly special for classic car lovers and modern enthusiasts alike. The 2025 Ford Escort MK1. Ford has brought back this legendary nameplate with a modern twist while staying true to its iconic roots. The original Escort MK1, launched in the late 1960s, became a motorsport legend, beloved for its lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive setup, and rally-bred performance. Now, in 2025, Ford has reimagined the Escort MK1 with the perfect blend of retro charm and modern technology. If you're a fan of classic Fords, fastback coupes, and nostalgic designs, this one's for you. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 comes with multiple powertrain options, catering to both purists and modern performance seekers. The entry-level variant features a 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4, producing around 300 horsepower and 350 pounds-feet of torque, making it a proper lightweight rocket. For those who love raw driving pleasure, Ford offers a 6-speed manual transmission, but there's also an 8-speed automatic for those who prefer modern convenience. For the true enthusiasts, Ford has introduced a high-performance RS variant, equipped with a 2.3-liter turbocharged engine pushing 400 horsepower, along with an all-wheel drive system derived from the Focus RS. Ford has even hinted at a fully electric version, packing dual motors and around 500 horsepower, delivering instant-to-work and an exhilarating driving experience while staying eco-friendly. The exterior design of the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 is a perfect homage to the classic. It retains the signature boxy shape, round headlights, and the iconic front grille that made the original Escort MK1 so recognizable. Ford has modernized it with LED lighting, a sculpted hood, and aerodynamic enhancements that improve efficiency and performance. The wide stance, flared wheel arches, and deep front splitter give it an aggressive yet timeless look. Buyers can choose from classic colors like Le Mans blue, signal yellow, and Wimbledon white, as well as modern metallic finishes. The RS version gets a more aggressive body kit, with a larger rear wing, carbon fiber elements, and lightweight forged wheels, ensuring it stands out as a true performance machine. Step inside, and you're greeted with a mix of retro styling and modern technology. The dashboard takes inspiration from the original Escort MK1, featuring a minimalist design with circular analog dials combined with a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is a 12-inch touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 5 software, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system. The Recaro bucket seats, finished in Alcantara and leather, provide excellent support for spirited driving while ensuring comfort on long trips. Ford has also included physical buttons for climate control, maintaining that classic tactile feel rather than relying solely on touch-sensitive controls. The rear seats are surprisingly spacious for a compact coupe, making it a practical choice for daily driving or weekend road trips. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is well insulated, and Ford has incorporated active noise cancellation technology to minimize road and wind noise. The suspension system is finely tuned to strike a balance between sportiness and ride comfort. The standard model comes with adaptive dampers, allowing drivers to adjust settings for a softer ride or a firmer, more track-focused setup. The RS version gets a lowered suspension, stiffer springs, and a limited slip differential, ensuring it handles corners with precision and agility. Despite its retro looks, the new Escort MK1 is packed with modern driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, making it just as easy to drive in city traffic as it is on an open road. Performance-wise, the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive setup, on most variants, provide sharp handling and a connected feel, just like the classic Escort MK1. The turbocharged engines offer plenty of power, and the responsive steering makes every drive engaging. The RS version, with its AWD system and track-tuned suspension, provides insane grip and stability, making it a beast on twisty roads and racetracks. Even the electric variant, with its instant-to-work and low center of gravity, delivers a surprisingly fun driving dynamic. Whether you're a fan of canyon carving or straight-line acceleration, the new Escort MK1 has a setup for everyone. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Escort MK1 is a brilliant revival of an automotive icon. It blends the classic styling and driving spirit of the original with cutting-edge technology and modern performance, making it a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether you choose the turbocharged petrol model, the high-performance RS, or the all-electric variant, the new Escort MK1 offers something unique and exciting. Ford has nailed the balance between heritage and innovation, and we can't wait to see these cars hit the roads and tracks around the world. What do you think about the 2025 Ford Escort MK1? Would you go for the manual turbo, the AWD-RS beast, or the futuristic electric version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Big 6. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting car content.